开始了。
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna shoot 8/3对吧？这个 it's like 10mm. This one is and take a look at this one. DIY Slingshots Rifle. Alright, take a look.
DIY slingshot rifle. We're using the marble as a bullet. So how many lengths we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, so times 2. So it's like 8 of them. Very, very powerful. So today we're gonna hitting a 1/2 inch super white glass. Let's see. Hey, let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Nice. Okay, one more time. We have a 6mm Sullivan. Take a look. It's big. And this one has a coating on top. Alright, and we're hitting it with a long range right now. Our DIY slingshot rifle. Take a look. That's good. Alright, let's go. Nice. Whole bunch of the 6mm temp glass. Take a look. We're putting here. Okay, so here we go. Now he's reloading right now. Very, very, very heavy. Alright, it's loaded. Very, very close range. Take a look. Alright. So it's like 2 of them. 2块